Where are the penguins? Oh, Jelly Doodle.
Okay.
You gonna be the penguin? Where's the penguin? There he is. What color are you gonna do? No, let's not do a picture in the background. What color? Blue?
Yeah.
Fill them up.
One, two, three, 5, 6, 7.
Good job. What are you going to put in him? He's all full.
Okay.
No, it's all full. There you go. What about chocolate chips? No chocolate chips? Strawberries? Are you thinking about it? Strawberries, yum.
Strawberry.
Raspberries?
A strawberry train.
You want to put the choo-choo train in the background? I don't think that's going to work. Why don't you do the whipped cream?
Green.
Where's the whipped cream? Why do you keep trying to put the camera or the pictures?
Green. Certain.
You can't color it. There he goes. Oh! Hit the button. Undo it. In the bottom. Down at the bottom. Whoa. Down there. Press that. There, he's back. Oops. You explode. Here, hit the bottom. The button on the bottom. There you go. Where's the whipped cream? Get the whipped cream. Can't keep popping it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh is right. Bonks.
Mommy, I'll go in. Go
What?
in. Go in. Okay. Go in.
You watch Elmo?
Go in.
Does Elmo know his ABCs?
Oh, go in. Go in. Grandma.
Grandma's coming over.
Mommy, we go in.
Yeah? What about the penguin game where the penguins jump? No? What are you doing? Your pants falling down? Keep your pants on. Is that Grover? Hey, whoa, do you think that you need it that close to your face? Put down. Hey. Can you put it down, please? Connor. What are you doing now? Put it down. Mommy's going to take it away. You think you're so funny? Guess who's stronger? Put it down. You're stronger, apparently.